Hey Madness fam, welcome back to another cooking video. In this one we're going to be making cheese empanadas. You can use any cheese you want. We use queso blanco. Remember, when you're getting the empanadas ready to heat up your oil. Added 2 at a time and move them every 5 minutes so that way they don't get too hot and burn. And we want the cheese to melt, and we don't want the empanada disc to get burnt and too hot without the cheese melting. Our oldest daughter asks if she can place the cheese and try to seal the empanadas. So what we did was we flipped them every 5 minutes until they became a nice golden brown crisp color. Dad had to step in and show her that she was making the lines too long. And if you haven't liked the video yet, make sure you smash that like button and like the video.
Hey guys, so I'm going to be trying the sourdough for the first time. It smells pretty good too. It smells like a real pickle.
And sour candy. Tell them what it smells like.
So it smells like a real pickle mixed with sour stuff. Tastes like a real sour pickle.
It's on your nose. Wait, you need tissues. Why is that pickle blue?
It's a sour pickle.
It smells like juice.
Pickle in a pouch. It's very sour, blue raspberry warhead.
It's not disgusting. People put stuff inside of these. It tastes like a real pickle with a little bit of like coffee dust in it with a bunch of sour warhead juice.
Do you like it? What do you rate it?
100 out of 10.
Oh, okay. And you're gonna eat that juice too? Ooh, show your tongue. If you're not part of the Madness fam, make sure you become part of the Madness fam.
Hey guys, so I will try the sour with blue taki with blue sour stuff. Warhead extreme sour pickle. Now I'm gonna put a new one right here. Oh my god!
Did you drop it?
Yes, I dropped it. I dropped it twice actually. Okay, so I'm gonna try to like make a hole where I put it in. Warhead extreme. tease.
Oh, you want blue like you last
Comment down below what other cooking videos you would like to see from us. Remember to make good choices, be good people, and no one loves you like you love you and like God loves you. Bye.